just a nice little demo piece. Now, when you go out there, you can execute a workflow. This just helps you set up everything else if you don't know how to do the classic stuff like I was doing. I like classic because that's what I learned on. So from here, again, if you do the workflow, it's going to automatically go through here and set up your parameters. It's going to set up your client list. Okay? Just like I said, this is a 3.5 inch pipe. It's a 216 wall. Okay, reference arrow. I'm going to have the reference arrow. I'm going to call this 12 o'clock right at the sticker. I'll call it 12 o'clock. And again, like I said, we're going to say that right here it's going to be on the north side of pipe towards flow. Okay, apply that. We're good. Again, like I said, we just turned off the program, open program. We're going to calibrate the laser again. So again with laser, the box again. I'm going to set up the scanner configuration, calibration. Again, turn it on. Get on the screen. We're going to go ahead and calibrate the laser. Bring it up. Okay, now we're going to bring that down, twist it, bring it up, back down, twist it, back up. Okay, bring the camera back, camera forward. Boom. Save it. We're good on that part. Okay. We are awesome. Now we're going to do the scanner intensity. Boom. Intensity. We're good. No red on there. We like it. We're good. We're going to take it. We're going to save it. Scanner's ready. Good. Now, like I said, if you have time, we always want to do the positioning targets first. If you're in time crunch, you can skip the positioning targets so you can catch it all. So we're going to do this. We're going to come out here. We're going to turn on the scanner. And here we go. We're scanning just position targets just for now. Just getting targets now. Just getting targets. Again, if you're out there in the real world, you can't do this nice and easy. Again, once you get the targets down, you're happy with it, stop it. We have targets. Okay. We're going to apply it. Boom, we're good. Reference arrow will come off now. So we can get the surface there. Let's put the calibration plate away. Reference arrow away. Now, we're going to switch this back to surface scan. And here's where the magic happens. Hit start. Boom. And here we go. Here's the actual filling little plates here. And of course, like I said, you want to keep it in the green. Just like playing the old game, hot and cold, hot and cold. You want to keep right in the green. You don't want it too hot, you don't want it too cold. Go ahead and scan the surface. And again, we're cheating because we're inside a lab area. So I'm just going to twist it instead of actually walking around it. Okay. Again, if there is corrosion, it's best to twist your wrist around. Make sure you're getting all surfaces of the corrosion inside of it and everything. Okay, again, like I said, I'm cheating. I'm going to go ahead and spin this, make it a little easier on us. Okay. Now, if you don't catch too much of the surface like I did with the desk last time, we won't have to mess with it where we have to let it figure out where its orientation is at. So we're just going to go ahead and hit the top surfaces right here. And then once we like it, you're going to stop the scan. It's going to save. Here we are. Now, from here, like I said, we can turn off the reference arrow, make sure we got the surface we want. We can edit our scan. We're going to go ahead and make a view at the 12 o'clock, so it reads you nice and even on the screen. And then from here, like I was telling you, this right here is making sure you can select the whole surface through it. And always make a backup of your scans, because like I said, once we delete scans, you can't get it back. You're going to hold control on your machine, so bring up the square box. You hold it down. Here it is. Now everything we've highlighted now is in orange. You can actually twist this and look at it. Okay? We're going to delete it. It's going to warn us. If you delete it, it's gone forever. You can't get it back. This is why I say always make a backup scan. Hit yes. That area is gone. We're done editing. We're back at this piece of pipe. Now, If we're looking corrosion, we hit corrosion. Mechanical damage, hit mechanical damage, obviously. I wish this had more corrosion on it so you can see it, but again, it's a one-button analyzation. And there it is. This one tells you that there's no feature made because it doesn't have any corrosion. Obviously, this is a new piece of pipe. Wish there was more corrosion so we can actually do that piece. But there it is. You have it. You save it. You make the quick report from Chevron or from the Creaform itself.
Okay.
We always gonna do that piece because that we're gonna pull that stuff, put it onto our actual report for the final report. We'll send it back. And again, I'm just gonna call this test demo. That hit enter. And like I said, here's the generic Creaform report that they're going to create for you. It's going to come out in Word. And then, like I said, we take this information, we plug it into our final, we send it to the client. Done. That's it. And like I said, you got the basics, man. It's not that hard. Like I said, the hardest thing about this is putting the targets up and taking the targets down. Okay. Once you have the surface prep right, machine up running, it's a fast inspection. That's why people like it. You can cover a lot more surface a lot faster. All right, this is a quick lesson on Creaform with TechCorr. Just going over and showing the guys how to run it.